Hi everyone. I hope my voice is clear and you guys can hear me properly now. All right. Just give me a minute. We'll just start in 1 minute. Okay. So can you please confirm whether you can hear me? Can you please use the chat option and let me know if you can hear me, everyone? Okay. Yes. Right. Okay. Fine. All right. So in the last lecture, we discussed about very important things that how to install the Ubuntu operating system, right? That is what we have discussed in the last lecture. Today we will be continuing with these things that we have already seen in the last lecture. Okay, so in order to install the Oracle, in order to install the Ubuntu, what we have done, okay, in order to install the Ubuntu, what we have done, we were we have downloaded the first software. We called it as a Oracle VirtualBox, right? So first thing is we have downloaded the Oracle VirtualBox. Then we downloaded the Ubuntu operating system, right? That is the second part we have done. And once Ubuntu ISO file we got it, then by using the Oracle VirtualBox we have installed the Ubuntu. Now those people who are listening me for the first time again, maybe you have joined for the first time. So there are two three videos we have conducted based on the Linux and SQL. So you can watch our YouTube channel with the name Learnomate Technologies. And what you can do, like, you can check our YouTube channel and you can see there is a playlist is available with the name SQL. So you can check all the videos which are available on my YouTube channel. Now coming to the next part, our YouTube channel link is available in the chat option, so you can utilize that. Go there and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. That will be really helpful for you to understand about the things. Okay, my expectation from everyone that you will be taking this training seriously. Normally what happened, like when we provide any training free of cost, people don't take it as seriously. But I will tell you, like, the same training we are providing to the paid people and we can earn like anything. So this is a good opportunity for the people who are coming from non-technical background. This is a golden opportunity for the people who do not have money to spend and financial weak background people. So take the advantages of it. That will be really helpful for you to get a job into the IT industry. Now if you have any gap in your career, maybe you were earlier working with some of the IT company, then you left the job and again you want to resume it. So this training is going to helpful for the people who are not only just fresher, not only just BTech people, it is also helping to the people who is having gap in their career, who want to start their journey into the maybe Oracle DBA or maybe application support or maybe in other technologies also. So this training is going to helpful for everyone. So you can go to our YouTube channel. There is a one technology is there, right? We called it as a Oracle DBA. So many people are looking for the job in Oracle DBA. Now if you want to learn the Oracle DBA again, the prerequisite is same, that you should have some knowledge about the SQL and Linux. Okay, so that's a prerequisite, even though if you want to start your career as a database administrator. So when I say a database administrator, it's not just a Oracle DBA. You can try your career with the Oracle DBA or maybe SQL Server DBA. MySQL is there. PostgreSQL is also quite in demand nowadays. So anywhere you can try your luck. Even if you want to start your career as a data engineer, so data engineer, I would probably suggest to the people who are quite good in the programming skill set. Normally when you want to start your career in data engineer, you need to have some knowledge about the Python, some knowledge about the Linux, some of the knowledge related to the cloud side, that will be really plus and add on for your skill set. So I hope what we have discussed in last 3-4 lectures, you are able to understand that, and I hope most of the people are following the steps that we are doing for the Ubuntu installation. So today we are going to continue the same lecture, okay? But before that, I hope everyone is ready and everyone is desperately or interesting, they want to see all these things, okay? So let me share my screen with you and we will start with the today's topic, okay? Those people who are interested to join with the help of Zoom meeting, you can get the Zoom details from here, or you can share it with your friends, colleague, anyone, so that they can also join this training. Again, this training is completely free of cost, so try to ask people to take the advantages of this training as soon as possible, so you can share it to the people, okay? um, my voice is little down today because I'm not feeling well, but still, please try to adjust it for one day, and we will continue today, okay? So now let's come back and try to understand what we have learned till now, right? So if you try to see the architecture, okay, till now the basic architecture that we have seen is like, we have this server is there, okay? We have this server, we have considered our Ubuntu machine, okay? And we have already installed the Ubuntu machine, now before I proceed, can you please suggest me if you are able to hear me, guys? Everything is clear? Everything is clear, right? Okay, all right. So those people who are facing some issues related to the voice and all, you can just check it from your side, okay? Because I can see that voice is pretty good, okay? There should not be any problem, okay, fine. Now let's try to understand the next part. So what we have done, like we have used the Oracle VirtualBox in the last lecture. So let me open the VirtualBox for you. So I'm just opening the Oracle VM VirtualBox, okay? And here, by using this Oracle VM VirtualBox, we have installed one software, we called it as a Ubuntu. Now if you see, you can see here that this machine is running, but this is the machine which we have created yesterday. So you can see this machine is currently power off, matlab this machine is not working right now. I have another machines are there where most of the machines are off only, they are not working, but this machine is running right now. So what I will do, I will just stop this machine because I don't want to use this machine. When the machine is up and running, it will consume your RAM, memory, storage, network, graphics, everything it will consume. So when you are not working, okay, try to stop that. But now I want to click on the Ubuntu free webinar machine which we created yesterday, and then finally I'll click on the start button. So whenever you want to do a practice, that time only start the machine. When your practice is done, stop the machine, so that your laptop, it will not consume a lot of memory from your laptop, okay? And it will not be hang also. So whenever you want to do some practice, click there and just do that. Some people may be getting error message like this. Again, it is asking you to install the Ubuntu, but we have already done that. You can power off, click on the settings, go to the storage. If you have this ISO file is again attached, this ISO file we attached last time, and I know that my installation is already done. So what you can do, you can go here, right click and click on remove. Okay, now let me click on the start one more time. because after the installation of Ubuntu, you need to remove that ISO from the storage part. Otherwise, it will ask you to install Ubuntu again and again, again and again. So better you remove that. Okay, better you remove that. So I removed, and then I tried to do the startup again. Let's see what will happen now. Okay. Now, when I go here, I can, why again it is coming here? Click on the close machine, power up. I'm going to close it. Let me open the VirtualBox again. I'm just going to open the VirtualBox again. Now if I go here, click on settings, let me see whether anything is there in the storage. This ISO, right? You can remove it, remove it. Okay, click on OK, and then finally click on start. Let's wait for 1 minute. And now your machine is getting started. Okay, you can see on the pop-up left hand side your machine is getting started over here. If you try to go here, see here, your machine is getting started over here. It will be looks like this. Okay, let me start the machine. So we got the machine back. So are you people able to follow this till this? Can you please let me know if you're able to open this Ubuntu? If it is asking you to install Ubuntu again and again, just delete that. Okay, so it should be like this. Once you start the Ubuntu machine, it should looks like this. Okay, so it will take some time to start the machine, and then it will be done. So ISO file is required only when you are doing the installation for the first time. Once your installation is done, you can just remove that. Otherwise, it will ask you to, you know, do setup again and again. Now we got the user here with the name Learnomate, and if I just click here, if you remember that last time we have created a user with the name Learnomate, and I need to provide the password of Learnomate now. So password of Learnomate I'm going to specify is Oracle. This is the same password that we have given at the time of, this is the same password we have given at the time of installation initially. Okay, then click on skip, next. Don't send any system report. You will get such a type of screen for the first time only. You can just click on next and finally click on done. So this is how your Ubuntu machine looks like. This is a desktop based Ubuntu machine. So that is the reason you can see the GUI is there. We have this desktop is there. Everything you can see over here. Okay. But now there will be a question in your mind that can we zoom it little bit, like so that I can see it properly. So that is also possible. Click on the show applications, click on settings, show applications, click on settings. If you go here, there is an option called display is there, display. That display you need to change from 16 by 9, you can use 16 by 9 or 16 by 10. This is all depending upon laptop to laptop. So right now I'm using 16 by, let me show you here. I'm using 16 by 9, and finally click on the apply button and then click on keep changes. So what I did, I just went here, click on the settings. Okay, click on the settings, and then finally once you click on the settings, you need to change a display. I changed the display to 16 by 9. Now you can see My display looks better and it's in full screen now. Okay, you can see my display is much better now. But still you can do one more change. You can click on the view and there is one option is there, scaled mode. What you need to do, you need to do scaled mode. Can you please try to follow me? What I did, first of all, log in with the Learnomate user. You can see I have logged in with the help of Learnomate user. Come here and then click on the settings. Click on the settings, search with the display. Click on the settings, search with the display and change the display resolution. So I change the display resolution to 16 by 9. Please let me know once you are done with this. Okay, so I will tell you the next part. I'll tell you the next part. Please let me know once it is done in the chart option so that I'll go and I will do the next part. Is it done? Yes? No? Those people who are trying? Okay. Those people who are trying, just go to the setting, display, change your display from 16 by 9. Change your display to 16 by 9, or for some people 16 by 10 is also okay. Okay. If you are able to open this ISO file, if you are able to open this virtual machine, then you don't need to remove, keep it there. Otherwise that's okay. Since I was not able to do, okay, no problem. See what I did, I have logged in with the help of Learnomate user, and then that screen was very small, so I just thought to have a big display. So I went to the settings, display, and I changed my display to 16 by 9. Once you click here, then it will ask you to apply. Click on apply and you should be able to see display like this. But still it is not a full screen. So in the virtual box there is an option is there, view, and there is one mode is there, that is called scaled mode. You can click here and then if you see here, this is my perfect laptop. This is my perfect desktop. Everything is fit in my screen. How it is possible? By using the scale mode. How it is possible? By using the scale mode. That is possible. So just click on the view and you can go inside the scale mode. Okay. Let me know once it is done. Once you get the scale mode, let me know. What I did, there was a menu was there. There was a menu. I click on the view and just change it to scale mode. Once it is done, let me know. Once you are here, let me know. Once it is done, let me know. Okay, great. Let's do that. Do not raise anyone hand. Those people who will be raising the hand, they will be removed from the link. Okay, from the meeting links. Okay, I hope it is done till now. Now there will be a question in your mind that okay, where we can do the practice. Okay, where we can do the practice. So we got this server, right? We got this server. What you can do, you can just right click on the open terminal. You got this. You can, what you can do, let me repeat it one more time. Right click and click on open terminal. You can also see the terminal over here. You can use this terminal also. The terminal should be looks like this. Okay, the terminal should be look like this. Let me know once you get this screen. Let me know once you get this screen. Let me know once you get this screen. So this is a terminal where you are going to fire your SQL and Linux command. Not SQL, you are going to fire your Linux command here. This is a place where you are going to fire your Linux command. Okay, so those people who are coming from Pune location, they can visit our office also if you want to discuss about a career and all. So we have office available in the Pune Wakad location, or in the Wakad also we have office available in the Bhumkar Chowk. Okay, so you can just go to the Google and search our path, search our location, you will get it there. So those people who are interested to have some career guidance discussion, they can visit the office. Now there is one problem is that what is the problem? The problem is that this is a very small letters, right? Maybe you are not able to see that clearly, so you need to make some changes. How you can do? Right click on preference, right click on preference, click on the custom font. You can see there is a font size is 12. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change it to 20. I'm going to change it to 20. If you want to change the font also, that is also possible. Font size also you can change, font also you can change. I just said it as 20. Right click on the preference, right click on the preference, check the custom font and change it to 20. Now once I change it to 20, you can see this looks much better compared to previously. So it is a one-time activity. It's a one-time activity, so that you guys can see my screen properly. So that is the reason I have changed my font and all. Okay, let me know once it is done till now. Okay, I see. Done. Okay, nice, everyone is able to do that. Nice. Okay, great. Okay, Chandra Singh, yes. Sujit Singh, yes. Great. You people are doing good. What I did, I just click on right click on the preference, right click on the preference, check the custom font. What you need to do? Check the custom font. Check the custom font and then change it to 20. What do you need to do? Change it to 20. Okay, then it will looks much better. Okay, let's do that. Do that, guys. Okay, try it. If you are doing it for the first time, you'll be little confused, but don't worry. Okay, it will be done. Okay, so this is the terminal, guys. Okay, this is a terminal where you can um, see the things. Okay, so whenever you want to do some practice, like daily you are going to open Ubuntu, right? Once you open a Ubuntu, what you need to do, just right click on open terminal, just right click and click on open terminal. Here you can do all the practice. Here you can do all the practice. Here we are going to learn about all the Linux command. This is a location where we are going to perform all the Linux command. Okay, what you are going to do, this is a location where we are going to learn all the Linux command. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, actually today I'll be leaving early. I'm not feeling that good, so just give me one day. Okay, you guys just be ready with this setup. Okay, if you don't know how to set up Ubuntu, please visit our YouTube channel. Okay, and on our YouTube channel you can see all the videos are available. Okay, so if you go here and search it with the Learnomate technologies, this is a URL. You can just go here, search here. Okay, and just subscribe to our YouTube channel over here. Okay, so all the videos are available here. Okay, including today's video also you can see. And tomorrow I'm going to talk about the actual Linux command. Okay, from tomorrow I'm going to talk about the actual Linux command. And if you want to know more about us, you can also visit my LinkedIn profile. You can go here and you can send me the follow message. Okay, I'll show you here. So from tomorrow I'll show you the Linux command. Okay, so be ready for that. Okay, thanks guys, for watching today. Let's connect tomorrow. Okay, I'm sorry, like I'm leaving early because of my health issue, but tomorrow we will do that. Okay, tomorrow I'll show you how to run the SQL command and Linux command. Okay, so please ask your friends, colleague, everyone those who want to go into the IT industry, you can ask them to join here. Okay, it's completely free of cost. Thank you. Those people who are looking for any guidance or something like that in Pune location,